Thank you, Stephen. Our top story this morning, San Antonio firefighters say a dangerous situation involving an extension cord is what led to a deadly fire at a Northside home.
They discovered the body of a woman after putting out a fire early this morning. This is at a home in the 100 block of Rio Vista near San Pedro and Jackson Keller.
Katrina Weber is there live. And Katrina, you mentioned they also say there were no smoke detectors.
Well, that's right. Firefighters say they did not find one single working smoke detector in this house where they found that woman dead. They also say they believe the fire started because of a dangerous situation, an extension cord that was plugged into an AC unit and then run underneath a bed. Now, firefighters did not find the woman inside the bed. They found her in another part of the home. They have completed their work here, but I want to give you a look at the video from earlier this morning. They got the call about 4 o'clock this morning and say that they did find a fire. They found flames and smoke coming out of this home in the 100 block of Rio Vista. They did find the woman inside, not far away from the door. They say they also found her two pets, two of her pets, a dog and a cat, who were dead. One dog did manage to escape. But again, they say that this is a fire, a situation that was preventable, because they say those smoke detectors could have alerted her to the fire sooner. And also they point out that the dangerous situation with the extension cord, and firefighters are warning people to please take a look at their homes, make sure they have working smoke detectors, and don't have any type of situation that could lead to a fire with results like we saw here today. Reporting live on the north side, Katrina Weber, KSAT 12 News.